What is evident is that the profile of Guyana has risen tremendously. There is a great interest from private entities, major CEOs, and other countries in what is happening in Guyana. More is expected of us globally on issues of climate change, energy security, renewable energy. These are all issues that the world is looking for us to provide leadership.
That was President Dr. Irfan Ali, who is attending the United Nations General Assembly in New York City. He is joined by Vice President Bharat Jagdeo, Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation Hugh Todd, Ambassador and Permanent Representative to the United Nations Caroline Rodriguez Burkett, and Foreign Secretary Robert Prasad. And over the past few days, these Guyanese officials have already had about 12 engagements with various stakeholders in the U.S. President Ali has described the past few days as very hectic, but welcomes the interest of many countries and international bodies in helping Guyana's developmental efforts. Among the president's engagements has been a meeting with the presidents of Ghana, Austria, and Kosovo, as well as engagements with the heads of the Organization of American States, the Inter-American Development Bank, and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. And areas of discussion included developmental priorities, opportunities for investors in Guyana, building bilateral relationships with different countries, opening up new avenues and areas for development of human resource capacity, unlocking new areas for financing, and having bilateral engagements on existing portfolios. Speaking specifically on Monday's engagement with the Secretary General of the OIC, Dr. Ali said that this meeting allowed the Guyanese team to push Guyana's agenda, particularly what the country's development priorities are in the context of long-term development.
The meeting with the OIC allowed us to once again push Guyana's agenda, what our priorities are, what our development needs are in the context of our long-term development program. The OIC was very responsive, and they are going to work on an aggressive front, not only with the Islamic Development Bank, but by looking at other opportunities within member states of the OIC where Guyana can collaborate.
The president related that he has quite a number of other planned engagements, but he highlighted that he is excited to be the president of Guyana at a time when the country's profile is so impressive and that there is so much energy in coming after Guyana. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Raghavar.